Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Matt with Bigham's Outdoors. Get out here and do a little more flying around tonight. Had a pretty good time out here last week. Need to get out here more often. This once a week is really not what I really want to do, but it's been so busy and aggravating what time I have had. I just ain't felt like it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna get out here and fly around a little bit, show y'all what I can of it. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'll see y'all at the end. Okay, y'all, here we go again. Got the throttle lock off. We'll taxi down here a little ways and see about taking off. The fire hall doing over here doing some work. I don't know what they're doing over at the ball fields, but maybe I won't be bothering them. All right, here we go. Little nose heavy. Kind of get the bugs out of me again here real quick. I'm getting a little better at flying here. If y'all can see that or not. I feel like I ain't shaking near as bad as I was. All right, I'm gonna take it off for safe again. They're safe. Yeah, I still ain't got too used to this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I am trying though. This plane's capable of doing a whole lot more than I know how. But it's just like anything else. You gotta practice some and fix what tears up. Little plane does fly good and smooth though, even on with the safe off. So I'm sorry about the sun being right in the screen here, y'all, but this is about the best place I can get and see what's going on with my plane. I know it's right in my face, but I got my glasses on, so I can still see a little bit. I'm still trying to get used to the way this thing handles. It don't take a whole lot of movement on these sticks to make her do a whole lot.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Safe on. Turn safe on there for a second. She got a little got me spooked there for a minute. The little tail, the tail on it's fluttering a little bit. I'm gonna have to. I've got a new tail at the house. I'm probably gonna have to change it. It's flapping pretty good. It's got a little loose, looks like. Of course, this little old plane's probably 10 years old, so I think she might be due a little bit of.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Got 1 minute remaining. So I've been in the air for 6 minutes. No, 5.5 minutes I've been in the air, so. Try to stay above that sun. A lot of y'all probably can't see it. All right, I'm gonna bring her around for a landing.
20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I believe that's gonna be the only battery I get tonight.
Timer stop.
It still wasn't real smooth landing. I didn't hit anything but the wheels, so I believe we're in good shape. Ease over here and
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
throttle cut on. Yeah, she's got a few little odd and end things wrong with her little tail. The stabilizers on it was flapping pretty hard like it's loose. But that could be a little bit of everything. I'll take her over here and we'll I seen why. I got real lucky. Alrighty, that's gonna be my only flight tonight, guys. I'm gonna get unhooked from it here. And see what I can figure out. Should have landed a while ago, but she still came in all right. Pull this off. Anyway, that's what we got. She landed. She's a little crippled. Wasn't my fault. Well, it probably was my fault from one of the previous crashes. I'm going to pull the battery out of this thing here real quick and see what, show y'all what kind of little damage we got here. The little screw right there that holds the control horn on. I've lost one of the screws, and See, I can just push it through with my fingers. That was just real lucky that it didn't come completely off. If it had, it would have crashed and there wouldn't have been nothing I could have done about it. But maybe y'all like this. I don't know. We'll see. Let me get these glasses off again. I enjoyed it anyway. Just got one battery through it tonight. I ain't got the stuff to fix it with right here with me. I have to do it when I get home. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all would, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button for me. Share it with your friends. Tell everybody about it. Try to keep the sun out of your face. But biggest thing is just get outside every now and then. Do something. I don't get out enough. I work out in it all day, every day, but still, it don't mean I get enough out time that I need out here. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all next time.